All right, today's January 5th, 2018. It's about 9:45 in the morning, and I'm just going to end the video for the week, starting with Bitcoin. And as you can see, once I first started with Bitcoin, right about around here, so I had my support line. It tested it. It went above it. I said if it stays above it, it will go to the next resistance line. If it passed that, then it will continue up. However, I said in order for it to continue higher, it would have to go above 15.5. As you can see, that found resistance there. It came back, but it did not go back to the previous support level. So then my first resistance level of 14,200 became my support. This support held. At that point, I said price technically would not be in a continuance of an uptrend until it broke this particular resistance level, which is 15,500. It did that. So at this point, price is going to continue with this uptrend. And I believe 2 days ago, if you had taken this particular trade in this area, once I said once it broke this support of 14,620, then pretty much you'll be up some nice pips at this time. So going forward right now, over the next couple of hours, price won't do much. It's probably going to find resistance at the 16,700 level, and it'll probably remain choppy in between this area until Monday, sometime next week. So that'll give me time Sunday to reposition my support and resistance levels and go from there. But clearly, price is in a continuance of the uptrend. It's on an uptrend in all time frames. So most likely sometime next week, price will pull back just a bit, possibly to this particular now support level, which was once resistance, and then it'll go up. And as long as it breaks 17,180, then you'll see it continue higher. From there, let's see, I would actually need to put more resistance lines. Let me look at the hour chart. Okay, that's a little. Yeah, I got more resistance areas. I just gotta pick them. But from an Elliott standpoint, it does look like this particular top was a clear 5-way move down, but it was possibly correction, and now this is going to continue up. But I believe on a larger time frame price, if I look at a day chart, this doesn't look good at all, but let me see. Actually, let me look at a 4-hour chart and see if that makes it any better. Yeah, this thing looks all jacked up. I'll come back to it later. We'll move over to the euro. Euro did what I expected to do. Once I spoke about it 2 days ago, I actually said that if this particular resistance level of 120.95 held, price would come down to this next level and then hopefully to the 1970 support level. Right now, as you can see, price bounced just off the 120.25 level, and it's making a continuance up, but the market's going to close in a couple of hours, so I don't expect much. I mean, if it pops me out, then I'll just walk away with about 20 pips down from about a little over 40 pips. But I do expect price to find a little bit of resistance in this particular area and then continue down, hopefully to the next level of support, which is at 1970. At that point, hopefully, I'll be looking for a long. However, this could easily be the end, and the 120.25 area will be the level to where now it can continue from here and then basically go up above 121.50, between 121.50 and 121.70. So I will keep an eye out on this and hope that everything works out. and I'll have another video for you guys on Sunday. Happy trading.